Alright, well, happy Memorial Day, everybody. I'm sorry about the wind, but it's a pretty windy day. I went to Harbor Freight today, and they have 10% off for non-members. So, I picked this up. This is by Franklin, and it is a T-handle for your wooden carts. Now, this doesn't have to be for your wooden carts. It could be general purpose. You need a handle on something, hey, you got one. But it's adjustable length. It extends out to 38.25 inches, and it retracts down to 27.5 inches. Now, the other thing is that it is good for 600 pounds. That is the maximum weight you can pull with this thing. So you could do engines, you know, laundry, if you got a lot of laundry. So let's open her up. Here's the instructions. Yep, that's it. So your nuts and bolts. So it looks like you're going to need a screwdriver and got lock nuts. Oh, it looks like a 3/8 maybe, or it might be metric. We'll find out. Oh, that's great. It's got a swivel here, so you can swivel it back and forth or up and down. So, let's get some tools and get her together. All right. Washer out and out. This is 10mm. Yep. Okay, let's tighten her up. And here we go. That's tight. Now, these right here are wood screws. This piece here, it goes on the bottom of your cart, right there. That way, when you're not using it, it opens up, and you can slip it in that hole. And then it'll lock in place. Pretty good idea. So that's what these little screws are for. Which again, these are wood screws also. Well, we're not going to use them. So, and let's get it on the cart. Okay, so I already put one in there. And as you see, the first victim of the T-handle is the 1936 IHC LA 1/2 by 2.5 motor. And if you guys haven't seen this run, I suggest you go look at the cold start motor of this thing firing up in the wintertime. But here we go. So, in case you guys don't know, wood screws are like sheet metal screws or self-tappers. So, you don't really need to drill first, but it does help. They go in relatively easy, but if you have the Harbor Freight master drill, I mean, you'll get this done lickety split. And there we go. So let's try her out. Swivel's good, not binding up, that's good. Well, here we go. Check that out. Now, I put this on the top, and the reason why I put it on the top is because I didn't want to take the motor off, of course. But you're supposed to put this plate here that it attaches to the cart on the bottom end. So always remember that before, you know, you start this. You think, oh, I'm gonna just put it on the cart. Well, you gotta move whatever you got off the cart first, but I didn't want to do that. So I'm not using that rubber clip because it'll just hold up against the wall here. I mean, it's out of the way. It ain't gonna fall or nothing. So I would say that's a success. So if you guys in need of a T-handle for your next project, or if you got one of these carts, I would say go out and get one. So if you guys do like this content, please give a thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button if you would, please. Hit that bell notification for all the latest and greatest videos so you won't miss any of them. Later.